Hey everyone, ever wonder how to unlock the full potential of your iPhone? It all starts with apps. Whether you're brand new to the iPhone world or just want to make sure you're up to date with the latest iOS, this video is for you. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to download and install any app on your iPhone step by step. First things first, to get any app you need to be online. Think of it like this, your iPhone needs to talk to the internet to grab those awesome apps. Check your internet connection, dive into your settings app, tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. See, I'm already hooked up here. No Wi-Fi, no problem. You can use your cellular data, but either way, an internet connection is a must. Once you're online, it's time to head to the App Store. This is your iPhone's built-in shop for all things apps. Find the App Store icon. It's the blue icon with the white A in the middle. Go ahead and tap it to open it up. Verify your Apple ID once the App Store opens. Look for your profile icon on top right corner, tap on it. This is crucial. You need to be signed in to an existing Apple ID or create a new one for free. You'll see an option to create new Apple ID if you don't have one, and Apple ID is your key to downloading any app, so make sure you're signed in. Alright, you're online and signed in. And now for the fun part, finding your app. Tap on the search tab. It's located at the bottom right of the App Store screen. And tap in the search bar at the top and type in the name of the app you're looking for. Let's say you're looking for TikTok. So type in TikTok, hit search. You'll see the app appear. Now, if you already have it, it might say update. But for you, if it's a new app, you'll see a button that says get. This means it's a free app. Click on get. Now you notice there's an open icon next to TikTok. So you can directly open the app from here, but you're probably wondering where did the app go if you're not in the App Store. So you can check your home screen. You can see that the TikTok app is right here on my home screen. And if you don't see it immediately, don't worry, swipe all the way up to the last page of your home screen and you'll land in the app library. Your recently added apps will be right there. Or you can just search for it at the bottom here. TikTok. And there it is. While most apps are free, some do come with a price tag. How can you tell a difference? Free apps will just say get right next to it. And for paid apps, you see a dollar amount. That's it. Stop. Turn off these 6 iPhone settings now. Check out this video to learn why and how.